Go. Hi guys! Alright, what we're going to do now is we're gonna do mukbang. Magmukbang mi og what is this, guys?
Strawberry.
Yeah, do you like strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to mukbang this strawberry here. This strawberries here. And yeah, mga onda guys. So this is jam. Way panudlay. And this is jam. What way panudlay? And this is
JD.
JD. Okay, so let's start now. 1, 2, 3, go! Eat na. How does it taste?
Good. Good.
It's sweet. So lame.
Oh. Oh. Good.
It's so lame. It's very sweet.